Hello YouTubers, welcome to BC Autotune. Today I'm programming a proximity fob or key to a 2021 Ford F150. I'm using the dealership software, that's FDRS, and after opening the application, when it finally loaded up, I select independent operator, non-dealer, and then hit on the login. So from here I'll be inputting my login information, and this process also requires you having a NASTEF ID in order to complete the programming process. So once we finish signing in, the application takes some time to load up because this is the first time I'm running this application on this PC. So once it finishes, okay, so it's warning us about the risk, and I'll go ahead and then click on continue to proceed. So login is successful. Okay, so this is saying that it has detected some issues with my VCI. I'll click on cancel. Well, at this stage I was supposed to select other devices, but I left that out and clicked on OK. So if I didn't, then that means it will be hard for it to read the VIN. So as you can see, it's unable to communicate with the vehicle. So I have to now select other devices and then select the VCI that I'm using, which is CADEC plus 3. Click on OK. So in order to get this, we go back to read VIN again, and this is the VIN for the vehicle. So after verifying the VIN number, I then click on OK or Go, which then pulls the vehicle information. So this entire process also requires you to have internet access, because it will be downloading some additional applications that will help you to interact with the vehicle successfully. So it's still downloading the vehicle information. Okay, once that is done, it's now reading into the models. And this is good to allow it to take its own course, and once everything is true, we'll be able to move to the next step. So at this moment, it's showing us the model overview. So to our left is models, or these are the models that are on the vehicle, and to the right is the vehicle information, and we can scroll through to see. So it tells us the vehicle, the ECUs that are active, and those orange should have the DTCs. also at the bottom right, what we can do is also go to view all the DTCs that are on the vehicle. So when you click on each model, it shows the details. Alright, so now we are checking on the DTCs. So these are overall the trouble codes that are in the vehicle. Like I said, the orange ones are the ones with the trouble codes, including the yellow. Alright, so we'll go back to the toolbox, and this is where we'll be doing our programming or addition of the key. So we'll go for the passive, active, anti-theft system, or the PAS programming. We click on the download, then it runs it, and once that is downloaded, it's asking us to put our NASTF ID and password. So once I'm done with that, at least it then takes me, or it will take me into the programming process for the fob. So I hit on login, and we are in the parts programming system. So I'm taking out the key to prepare it for the programming. So I have the provided key here, and when I push on the bottoms, nothing happens. So this is the key to be programmed. Take out that cover and then put it in that slot. So next we come to programming keys or program keys. Okay, which we already did. We've placed the key in the slot. We click on OK, and it does its own thing. And at this moment, it has taken the key. Okay, so it has increased the number to 3. Okay, so this key is now programmed, and we can push enter to the buttons just to verify. Okay. Alright, so that means owner now has 2 keys, but there's no 1 key, though initially the vehicle it says it has 2, plus the one that we've programmed is 3. So the owner now wants us to remove the key that is not present. So what we'll do is we erase all keys. That way it will reset the count to 0. So it's asking us to confirm whether we want to erase all the keys from the vehicle, which we answer yes. So now there are no keys, but it says in order to program we need a minimum of 2 keys to be able to program to the vehicle. So we have the existing key and the one that I've programmed, which we've taken all out. Now we'll put them back. So click on the program, put one of the key in the key slot in the cup holder, So once we're done with that, we click on select and then click on OK. So we've put our first key back and the count is 1. We click on OK. Then another program key, then select, put the second one, then hit on OK. And it programs the second key. So now the count is 2. So we have 2 keys programmed to the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're just going to test the keys to make sure it locks and unlock. And this is the original key that the customer has. Alright, it locks and unlocks, and now the one that we added, that also unlocks the car. So this is how to go about programming a 2021 F150 key. Thank you.